Release your worries. God cares for you. Have you ever felt like the weight of the world is pressing down on your shoulders? Like, no matter how hard you try, anxiety keeps sneaking in and feels just out of reach? You're not alone. Life is full of uncertainties, financial stress, family problems, health concerns, and the constant pressure to hold everything together. But here's the powerful truth. You were never meant to carry it all alone. Cast all your anxiety on Him because He cares for you. In 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 7. This isn't just a beautiful verse, it's a life-changing invitation. God is not distant. He's not watching from afar, hoping you'll figure it all out. He is close, loving, and deeply invested in every detail of your life. Let that sink in. God cares for you. Not just for the strong version of you, not only when you have it all figured out. He cares for you, the real you. You. The tired you, the worried you, the confused you. The one who cries in secret and prays for a breakthrough. Yes, that version of you matters deeply to God. So what does it mean to release your worries? It means choosing trust over fear. It means letting go of the illusion of control and placing your faith in the one who holds the universe in his hands and still knows the number of hairs on your head. It's not weakness. In fact, it takes courage to say, God, I can't do this without you. Here's how you can begin today. Pause and breath. Take up the moment to quiet your heart. Pray honestly. Tell God what's troubling you. He already knows, and He listens without judgment. Let go. Visualize handing your burdens over to Him. Release release the tension and trust in His timing. Speak truth. Remind yourself of His promises. You are loved. You are seen. You are never alone. And remember this. Just because you can see a way out doesn't mean God isn't working behind the scenes. Miracles often start in the quiet, unseen places. You are not forgotten. Your situation is not too small or too big for God to handle. Today, choose faith, choose rest, choose to believe that the same God who calms the storm can calm your heart. Release your worries, God's got you.